Good morning, students. So children, today we will start a new chapter, that is lesson number 26, pronouns. So children, open page number 77 in your book. Okay, so children, what is pronoun? What is a pronoun? So a pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun or nouns in a sentence. So for example, children, Mr. Mohanlal is a bus driver. Okay, then second sentence it is that Mr. Mohanlal drives children to school every day. Okay, the next, Mr. Mohanlal is a jovial man. So children, these three sentences describing about Mr. Mohanlal. So instead of repeating these sentences, we can use the pronoun he. Okay, now Mr. Mohanlal is a bus driver. Then he drives children to school every day. Then he is a jovial man. Okay, so here are some examples, children, that it is given here. Sana is a good girl. Sana does her homework every day. So instead of repeating again Sana, we can use she. Sana is a good girl. She does her homework every day. Okay. Then number 2 example. Rajat is a clever boy. Rajat has done all the sums correctly. Then Rajat is a clever boy. Then, again, instead of repeating Rajat, we can use pronoun he. He has done all the sums carefully. Then number 3. This book belongs to the library. The book is a new one. So this book belongs to the library, and in the place of the book you can write it is a new one. So word she has replaced the noun Sana, he has replaced the noun Rajat, it has replaced the noun book. So it is given here, just I have told you the example. Instead of using the same noun over and over again, you can use the another word instead of a noun. This is done to make the simple sentence. So a word that is used instead of a noun is called a pronoun. Okay, a word which is used that is used instead of a place of a noun, is called a pronoun. So children, the words I, you, she, it, he, they, them are pronoun. They are the pronoun. They come in the naming part of these sentences. Okay, then you means you can also come in the telling part. Okay, you word we can use in the singular noun also and the plural noun also. So here are the paragraph. I am reading one paragraph. It is given on page number 77. Read the following paragraph. Rinki and I set off for the bookshop. On the way, Rinki and I met Arjun and Tony. Rinki, Arjun, Tony and I started to walk together. The bookshop was quite far away. So Rinki, Arjun, Tony and I decided to take a bus. But Arjun and Tony did not have any money for the fare. Rinki said that Rinki would pay the fare for Arjun and Tony. Arjun and Tony thanked Rinki and said that Arjun and Tony would return the money to Rinki the next day. So turn your page, children. Now read some paragraph after pronouns have been used instead of some nouns. So Rinki and I set out for the bookshop. On the way, we is a pronoun. We met Arjun and Tony. We started together. Okay, so in the place of means it is given in the place of Arjun and Tony, we have used we. So we started to walk together. The bookshop was quite far away, so we decided to take a bus. So underlined words are pronoun. Okay, children. But Arjun and Tony said that they did not have any money for the fare. Rinki said that she would pay the fare for them. They thanked her and said that they would return the money to her the next day. So the pronouns that have made the paragraph simple and less clumsy, means it is very easy. So here children, pronouns, just I have told you that I, we, you, he, she, it, they, me, us, him, her, and them are pronouns. Okay, so here children, some exercises are given here. So in this you have to pick out the pronouns from the following sentences and write them in the blank spaces. So number 1. So children, you have to pick out the pronouns and you have to write it there. So number 1 it is Rohit gave him a piece of chocolate. So here him is a pronoun. Okay, so you have to write him. Then number 2, Neeti said that she had to go home. So here number 2, she is a pronoun. Then number 3, please tell us a story. So here us is a pronoun. Then number 4, they played in the garden all day. So here they is a pronoun. Then number 5, mother told us not to stay out late. So here us is a pronoun. Then number 6, this book belongs to him. So here him is pronoun. Then number 7, I love music. So here I is pronoun. Then number 8, Varun said that he had bought a ball for Vikram. So here he is pronoun. Then number 9, you just come with us on this trip to the hills. So here two pronouns are there. Here you and us. Then number 10, we are going to the park. You will join us. So here we, you and us are pronoun. So I will repeat all the answers of the A exercise. First is him, second is she, third is us, then fourth is they, then fifth is us, then again sixth is him, seventh I, eighth he, 9 you, us, then 10 we, you, us. Okay. Now here B exercise. Fill in the blanks with suitable pronouns taken from those given in brackets. So here you have to pick out the pronouns. Here in the bracket it is given here, so you have to pick the pronouns and you have to write in the blank space. So number 1, Jaya said that Dash would take a nap in the afternoon. So here Jaya said that she would take a nap in the afternoon. Then number 2, Mother and I decided that Dash would go to the shopping mall. So here number 2, Mother and I decided that we would go to the shopping mall. Then number 3, take the knife from the drawer and put Dash back after you have used Dash. So here take the knife from the drawer and put it back after you have used it. Then number 4, we and Mohit said that Dash would play table tennis after that afternoon. So here they. Okay, answer is they. Veer and Mohit said that they would play table tennis that afternoon. Then number 5, Nina and I requested our teacher to give Dash 2 extra tickets for the school concert. So here number 5 is answer is us. Nina and I requested our teacher to give us 2 extra tickets for the school concert. Then number 6, Rohan and Neeti were going out for a walk. Their mother told Dash to wear their sweaters as it was quite cold outside. So answer is them. Okay, them. So it will be their mother told them to wear their sweaters as it was quite cold outside. Then number 7, Jenny has 2 dogs and she loves Dash very much. So here Jenny has 2 dogs, she loves them very much. Then number 8, Arya told Rana that Dash would help Dash to lay the table. So Arya told Rana that he would help her to lay the table. So here number 8 answer is Arya told Rana that he would help her to lay the table. And number 9, my uncle said that Dash would collect us from school today. The number 9th answer is my uncle said that he would collect us from school today. And number 10, Gopalan has fever. Dash would Dash should see a doctor. So Gopalan has fever. He should see a doctor. Then number 11. Harry ran fast so that Dash got home before the rain came pouring down. So here correct answer is he. Harry ran fast so that he got home before the rain came pouring down. Number 12. They said that the book did not belong to Dash and Dash could not find the person to whom Dash belonged. So correct answer is they said that the book did not belong to them and they could not find the person to whom it belonged. Okay. So children, I will repeat all the answers of B exercise. First is she, then second is we, third is it, then 4 they, then number 5 us, then number 6 them, then 7th them, 8 he, her, then number 9 he, then 10th is he, then 11th is he, then 12th is them, they and it. Okay. So children, here we have completed lesson number 26 pronouns. Okay, so children, go through this video and complete your exercises, and children, if you are having any doubt or any confusion, just ask to me. So thank you everyone. Bye and take care.